Look at the friendly dog. Dogs love to play and run with us. They are smart, loyal, and very cute. Dogs can be our best friends every day. Here is a cute little cat. Cats love to sleep and play yawn. They are soft, gentle, and very curious. Look at the cat walk slowly and carefully. Meet the big cow. Cows give us milk and love to eat grass. They are calm and live on farms with friends. Cows are helpful and peaceful animals. Look at the playful goat. Goats love to jump and eat leaves. They are active and enjoy climbing rocks. Goats are fun animals to watch on farms. Here is a fluffy sheep. Sheep have soft wool on their bodies. They like to walk together in flocks. Sheep are gentle and friendly animals. Meet the strong horse. Horses love to run fast and play in fields. They are helpful to humans and very smart. Horses are beautiful and graceful animals. Look at the happy pig. Pigs love to roll in mud and eat tasty food. They are smart and playful animals. Pigs are fun to watch on the farm. Here is a lovely duck. Ducks love to swim in water and eat plants. They waddle on land and float in ponds. Ducks are cute and gentle animals. Meet the little chicken. Chickens lay eggs and walk in the farm. They peck food and flap their wings slowly. Chickens are friendly and easy to find animals. Look at the soft rabbit. Rabbits love to hop and eat carrots. They are gentle and very fast on their feet. Rabbits are small, cute, and playful animals. Here comes the big elephant. Elephants have long trunks and big ears. They live in forests and walk in families. Elephants are gentle giants of nature. Meet the brave lion. Lions are strong and live in groups called tribes. They walk slowly and watch everything carefully. Lions are the kings of the jungle. Look at the fast tigers. Tigers have stripes and move very quietly. They live in forests and very strong. Tigers are beautiful and brave animals. Here is a funny monkey. Monkeys love to climb trees and eat fruits. They jump, play, and swing on branches. Monkeys are smart and playful animals. Look at the striped zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes on their bodies. They walk in groups and run very fast. Zebras are gentle giants of the forest. Meet the tall giraffe. Giraffes have long necks to eat leaves. They walk slowly and look very graceful. Giraffes are gentle of the forests. Here comes the big bear. Bears love honey and walk in forests. They are strong and sometimes sleep a lot. Bears are amazing wild animals. Look at the clever fox. Foxes are quickly and very smart. They live in forests and like to explore. Foxes are small, cute and fast animals. Meet the little frog. Frogs love to jump and live near water. They have soft skin and eat small insects. Frogs are small, cute and fast animals. Here is a saw turtle. Turtles have hard shells and walk very slowly. They live on land or in water and are calm. Turtles are peaceful and interesting animals.